Everyone wants to know the best time to upload on YouTube in 2025 because the right timing can literally be the difference of getting 50 views or 50,000 views. So today I will share you what I treated, what actually worked, and how you can find your upload time. Firstly, why the upload time still matters. YouTube push your video hardest in the first 24 hours. When you publish, anytime your audience are awake and active, your video gets instant boost by click and watch time, because this signal the algorithm that people cares about your content. Then you will get more impression and more growth. So if you upload when your viewers are asleep or busy, your video may die before even have a chance. So right now I will explain to you what I treated. I treated uploading in a different time for one full month. I uploaded morning, afternoon, evening, and even late at night. Morning 8 to 11, video pick up slowly but perform well during the day. Afternoon 12 to 4 p.m, people at lunch break or people screen after work or school can have a little time to watch. And evening 6 to 9 p.m, this is the strongest window. Views spark fast, especially for US, UK and Nigeria audience. So in the conclusion for my test, evening and late afternoon in your viewers local time work best in 2025. The test session is how to find your best time. Firstly, go to your YouTube studio, analytics and audience tab. Don't worry, I will show you.
So this is my YouTube studio right now. You can locate it on YouTube studio. So you can see analytics. That's what I'm moving to you. Analytics, you tap the analytics and you go on the top. You will see audience. I'm moving it for you now. You click the audience, so you can't see it on this channel, and I will show you how it look like. So at the down you will see, if you scroll you will see when your viewers are on YouTube, and you will see it there right now when your viewers are on YouTube.
You must need to upload 2 to 3 videos so that your video may be on live before your viewers pop up. For example, if your viewers are most active by 7 p.m, post around 5 to 6 p.m. So right now I will give you extra growth tips. Firstly, don't stress yourself too much, because content quality beats upload time every single time. If you combine great content plus content timing, you will get maximum results. If you are uploading short, timing matter less, because short videos get pushed in a week. But for long form video, timing is very important. For example, try 2 to 3 upload windows in the whole of next month and compare it. The best time to upload video on YouTube in 2025 for most creators is evening, depending on your viewers time zone, but your audience may be different. So the best thing to do is to check your analytics and test it yourself. After that, you need to lock in the time that give you the strongest one-day boost. So that is how you can get more views, more subscribers and more growth. And if this is your first time watching my video, or you have been watching before, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of my video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.